1. Reservation as a system of caste-based affirmative action in India. Reservation in India is provided for 1. Social backwardness 2. Educational backwardness 3. Economical backwardness 4. Religion. Which of the following is correct answer? A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 123 and 4 only. D. 1, 2 and 3 only. Answers D. 1, 2 and 3 only. 2. The first party government passed the first communal government order, G. O. 613, thereby becoming the first elected body in the Indian legislative history to legislate reservations which have since become standard across the country. A. Indian National Congress. B. Communist Party of India. C. Justice Party. D. Republican Party of India. Answer C. Justice Party. 3. The Imperial Parliament at Westminster introduced elements of reservation in A. The Government of India Act of 1919. B. The Government of India Act of 1909. C. The Government of India Act of 1935. D. Indian Council Act 1861. Answer is B. The Government of India Act of 1909. 4. Maharaja of the princely state of introduced reservation in favor of non-Brahman and backward classes, much of which came into effect in 1902. A. Nelwadi Krishnaraja Wadiyar of Mysore. B. Shivaji Maharaj of Pune. C. Chhatrapati Shahu of Kolhapur. D. Ganga Singh of Bikaner. Answer is C. Chhatrapati Shahu of Kolhapur. 5. Under Muli Minto reform, which is the first community to get separate electorate? A. SC. B. Saint. C. Christians. D. Muslims. Answer is D. Muslims.
6. Introduction of communal award separate electorate to depressed classes, now known as the scheduled caste, and other minorities lead to anger from Gandhi, and he started fasting in Yerwada jail, which finally concluded in which pact, agreement? A. Delhi Pact. B. Shimla Agreement. C. Pune Pact. D. Lucknow Pact. Answer is Pune Pact. 7. The first Indian member to the Viceroy's Executive Council. A. Satyendra P. Sinha. B. Surendranath Tagore. C. Surendranath Banerjee. D. Surendranath Bose. Answer is Satyendra P. Sinha. 8. Which among the following is not a OBC commission? A. Mandal Commission 1979. B. Kaka Kalelkar Commission 1953. C. Rohini Commission 2017. D. None. Answer is D. None. 9. It was based on the recommendations of the backward class. Quota for Muslims was introduced earlier. A. Chinnappa Reddy Report. B. A. J. Sadashiva Commission Report. C. Venkataswamy Commission Report. D. Havanur Commission Report. Answer is A. Chinnappa Reddy Report. 10. According to SC Judgment 1, reservations could not exceed 50%. 2. There are state laws that exceed this 50% limit. Which if the above statements are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. Circa 1 and 2 only. D. None of the above. Answer is B. 2 only. 11. Percentage of reservation allotted for OBC in central government jobs. A. 25%. B. 26%. C. 27%. D. 28%. Answer circa 27%. 12. The landmark initiative of special recruitment for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe in government jobs was started. A. Karnataka. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Kerala. D. Maharashtra. Answer is C. Kerala. 13. Which amendment was made to the constitution to permit the government to treat the backlog of reserved vacancies as a separate and distinct group, to which the ceiling of 50% did not apply? A. 80th Constitutional Amendment. B. 81st Constitutional Amendment. Circa 82nd Constitutional Amendment. D. 79th Constitutional Amendment. Answer is B. 81st Constitutional Amendment. 14. Which amendment inserted a provision in Article 335 to enable states to give concessions to SC/ST candidates in promotion? A. 80th Constitutional Amendment. B. 81st Constitutional Amendment. Circa 82nd Constitutional Amendment D, 79th Constitutional Amendment. Answer is circa 82nd Constitutional Amendment 15. In 2006, M. Nagaraj and others vs. Union of India and others, The Supreme Court upheld the amendments but stipulated that the concerned state will have to show, in each case of promotion in employment, the existence of compelling reasons, which include 1. Backwardness, 2. Inadequacy of representation, 3. Overall administrative efficiency. Which of the following are correct? A. 1 only, B. 1 and 3 only, Q. 1 and 2 only, D. 1, 2 and 3 only. Answer is D. 1, 2 and 3 only. 16. Consider the following: W. R. T. Reservation System of India Community Associated Reservation 1, South Carolina 15%, 2. ST 7%, 3. OBC 28%, 4. EWS 10%. Which of the following is correct? A. 1 and 4 only, B. 1, 2 and 4 only, circa 2 and 3 only, D. 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. Answer is A. 1 and 4 only. 17. Consider the following: W. R. T. Reservation System in Karnataka State Community Associated Reservation 1. SC 17%, 2. ST 7%, 3. OBC 32%, 4. EWS 10%. Which of the following is correct? A. 2 and 4 only, B. 1 and 4 only, circa 3 and 4 only, D. 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. Answers D. 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. 18. Reservation for women in all government jobs and services in Karnataka. A. 35%, B. 33%, C. 25%, D. 23%. Answer is B. 33%. 19. Which amendment seeks to allocate 33% of the seats in the Lok Sabha and elected state legislative assemblies for women? A. 105th Constitutional Amendment, B. 106th Constitutional Amendment, circa 103 ND Constitutional Amendment, D. 104th Constitutional Amendment. Answer is B. 106th Constitutional Amendment. 20. Reservation for transgender people in education and employment in Karnataka. A. 0.5%, B. 1%, C. 2%, D. 3%. Answer is B. 1%. 21. Percentage of reservation allotted for OBC in Karnataka educational institution and government jobs. A. 28%, B. 29%, C. 31%, D. 32%. Answer is D. 32%. 22. The state the first in the country to provide 1% reservation for the transgender community in all government services. A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Karnataka, D. Goa. Answer is Karnataka. 23. The Union government on the 22nd of December 2011 announced the establishment of a sub-quota of percentage for religious minorities within the existing 27% reservation for other backward classes. A. 3%, B. 3.5%, circa 4.5%, D. 2.5%. Answer is 4.5%. 24. The Union government tabled bill which provided 10% additional quota for the economically weaker sections amongst the erstwhile unreserved category students. A. 124th Amendment Bill, B. 125th Amendment Bill, circa 126th Amendment Bill, D. 127th Amendment Bill. Answer is B. 124th Amendment Bill. 25. To claim EWS quota, candidates' household income should be less than A. 6 lakh, B. 8 lakh, circa 10 lakh, D. 12 lakh. Answer is 8 lakh. 26. Which of the following institution do not have reservations for higher education? 1. Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, Dehradun. 2. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, Thiruvananthapuram. 3. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Mumbai. 4. North-Eastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences, Shillong. Which of the following is correct? A. 4 only, B. 1, 2, 3 and 4 only, circa 1 and 4 only. D. None. Answer is B. 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. 27. To claim OBC reservation, a person's annual family income should be below A. 6 lakh, B. 8 lakh, circa 10 lakh, D. 12 lakh. Answer is 8 lakh. 28. In October 2015, the National Commission for Backward Classes, NCBC, proposed that a person belonging to OBC with an annual family income of up to lakh should be considered as minimum ceiling for OBC. A. 8 lakh, B. 12 lakh, circa 15 lakh, D. 18 lakh. Answer is 15 lakh. 29. State that have no population of scheduled tribes as per Census 2011. A. Gujarat, B. Goa, C. Punjab, D. None. Answer is Punjab. 30. Which census was used by Mandal Commission to create report? A. 1961, B. 1931, C. 1951, D. 1971. Answer is 1931. 31. Mandal Commission established during the government of A. VP Singh, B. Deve Gowda, C. Morarji Desai, D. Indira Gandhi. Answer is Morarji Desai. 32. Mandal Commission report had been completed in 1980 during government of A. VP Singh, B. Deve Gowda, C. Morarji Desai, D. Charan Singh. Answer is versus P. Singh. 33. Article size of the powers conferred by Article of the Constitution. The President appointed a backward class commission in December 1978 under the chairmanship of B.P. Mandal. A. Article 334b, Article 340. C. Article 342d, Article 354. Answer is Article 340. 34. The Mandal Commission concluded that India's population consisted of approximately % OBCs. A. 50b, 51c.52d, 55%. Answer is 52%. 35. The Supreme Court first time upheld the 27% quota for backward classes in which of the following case? Nagaraj case, B. Indra Sawhney case, C. Champakam Dorairajan, D. Jarnail Singh case. Answer is Indra Sawhney case. 36. Article N provides for specific representation through reservation of seats for SCs and STs in the Parliament and in the state legislative assemblies respectively. A. Article 331 and Article 332. B. Article 330 and Article 332. C. Article 334 and Article 332. D. Article 331 and Article 330. Answer is Article 330 and Article 332. 37. Which article provides reservation of seats for SCs and STs in every municipality? A. Article 233 B. Article 243 C. Article 243 OD. Article 233 Z. 38. Percentage of backward classes, OBCs, in urban local bodies and panchayats. A. 27%, B. 33%, C. 25%, D. 32%. Answer is 33%. 39. 10% reservation for economically weaker sections through which Constitutional Amendment. A. 101st Amendment, B. 102nd Amendment, circa 103rd Amendment, D. 105th Amendment. Answer is 103rd Amendment. 40. Which article provides that the state can make any provision for reservation in matters of promotion in favor of the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes if they are not adequately represented in the services under the state? A. Article 16, 4, B. Article 16, 4A, C. Article 16, 4B. D. Article 335. Answer is Article 16, 4A. 41. How many women MPs are there in 18th Lok Sabha? A. 74. B. 100. C.78. Answer is 74. Answer is 42. The Women's Reservation Bill, 2023. The proposed legislation defines the 33% women reservation to continue for period of how many years? A. 10 years. B. 15 years. Circa 20 years. D. 25 years. Answer is 15 years. 43. The 9th schedule was introduced in the Constitution of India during the Prime Minister of A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Lal Bahadur Shastri. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Morarji Desai. Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru.